Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about problem solving with simultaneous equations. We're in section 1E in your book, and there's only one example today. We're just going to do example number 13. So make sure you have your book open for this because it's a story problem and you may need to refer to the text. So it says 2 adults' tickets and 3 children's tickets to a cricket match cost 45 pounds. 3 adults and 4 children's tickets cost 64 pounds. Find the cost of each type of ticket. So if we set up adult tickets to be represented by X and child tickets to be represented by Y, we can set up an equation that looks like this. So I'm going to write the equation here, and then I'm going to read the story problem again, just so you can see where the pieces come from. Okay? So it says 2 adult tickets and 3 children's tickets cost 45 pounds. So 2 adults, 3 children, 45. And then 3 adults, 4 children is 64. And so those are the two equations we come up with for that situation. And we want to find the total cost of the adult tickets and the child tickets. So we're essentially just trying to find X and Y. So these are a system of equations, and if you look at the video for 1D, you can figure out how to solve this. Now we can use substitution, graphing, or elimination. I want to stay away from graphing though, because it's not very exact. It's hard to get an exact answer sometimes with graphing. So we're going to stick with substitution or elimination. And this one in particular, I think, works best with elimination. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to times this one by 3, this one by -2, because that's going to make my x's both become 6, and they will have an opposite sign, which will make them cancel. So if I multiply everything by 3 on the top, I get, I get 6x plus 9y equals 135. If I multiply the bottom, I get -6x, -8y, and -128. Now, because we're using elimination, we just add these together, and these will cancel because they're opposites. So we have 9 minus 8, so that's just 1y. And if we do 135 minus that, that is just 7. This one didn't have any algebra because we ended up with just 1y. And now we're going to take that answer and plug it into one of the original equations. I'll just choose the top. So we have 2x plus 3 times 7 equals 45. And if we continue with the algebra on that, we get, or first simplify it, just combine those into 21, and we subtract 21 from each side, and that gives us 24. And then the final step of algebra, we divide by 2, so x equals 12, and then we get 12 comma 7, which this would be adult and this would be child. So the adult tickets cost $12 and the child tickets cost $7. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab and calculator.